Hi, Jim Pryor here from TP Soundproofing. We're a domestic soundproofing company and we know there are millions of people across the UK right now suffering from unwanted noise in their home. Now, due to this COVID-19, we know that this noise is now unescapable. You can't get away from it. So whether that be noise from neighbours or room-to-room transfer of noise, we know there's a lot of people struggling to try and balance that working from home with kids running around in the background making noise, or maybe you just need that quiet place or that peace or relaxation just to gather your thoughts during this busy time. So I've put together this short video. I'm going to go through 3 things that you can do or get to help with this unwanted noise in your home. So the first one is this white noise machine. They're about 20 quid. You can get it from Amazon. So here we go. So general white noise, relaxing ocean sound, a brook, maybe you just want to use a loo, summer nights, rain, or thunderstorm. So this is a white noise machine that can be used to mask the sound entering your home. So something like that would be put up against that conflicting party wall from the neighbour wall, or it could be put on the floor from noise, maybe to mask noise coming up from below, or maybe attempt to put it on the ceiling if it's noise from above. But this will help with a sort of a muffled noise. You have that muffled conversation or that muffled TV noise or music or that noise of general living coming in from the neighbours. This sort of device will help mask that sound, and that can ease some of the stress and anxiety caused by that unwanted noise. Okay, so number 2, if you've got something, you've got maybe more of an intrusive noise, would be a good set of noise cancelling headphones. Okay, so these will help with you get a lot of impact noise, noise which is really intrusive coming from all the different areas of your property. Maybe someone banging that impact noise from above or from below, or stair noise and people running around next door. This sort of, or even loud music. These sorts of noise cancelling headphone will really give you that little bit of a peace and quiet, a little bit a place to escape that noise for a bit. Okay, so then there is tip number 3. This is for the sort of more ambitious DIYer, someone that wants maybe has some tools, wants to do something. That noise is really frustrating. You really want to do something to stop that noise. Then here is tip number 3. Now, having soundproofed hundreds of homes over the last 15 years or so, we have found that most of the time, well, pretty much every house will have a main cause of the problem, main cause of the noise. So what is the main cause? The main cause will be holes in the structure, a poor renovation technique, or maybe someone's attempt at soundproofing is what we call the main cause. So what we want you to do would be to try and find that main cause, and the best place to find it would be in the bedroom floor. So to pull up the bedroom floor, crowbar the bedroom floor up, reveal where the joists will go into the wall. Maybe they do go into the wall, don't go in. Find where those joists go into the party wall, and you will potentially find bricks missing, holes in the structure. Another good place would be in that suspended floor void. If you have one of these older properties that has a suspended floor void, down in that suspended floor void, there will be holes in the structure. There will be bricks missing, and these have to be blocked up. So if you do find these holes, block them up. Find something, insulation or something to make it airtight. Maybe brick it up if you can. Make it airtight and stop that noise coming through. Another good place, if you're not too happy about lifting up floorboards, will be to check the loft. Go up in the loft and just have a look, see if there is any bricks missing, holes in the structure, and that's our 3rd tip, would be to address that main cause of the problem. And that's something that you can do. There's no materials available, everywhere is closed, so something like that would be one of the best ways to get a noticeable difference by a noticeable difference in noise reduction by addressing that main cause of the problem. Okay, so I hope this this little video has been useful. We would love to hear about how you're coping with the noise. So please comment and share this video. This is Jim Pryor from TP Soundproofing, where we believe that everyone deserves peace and quiet in their home. Stay safe and stay healthy.